Charts don't lie, keep your vision clear. Every setback builds a stronger year. Patience pays, let your winners run. The race ain't over till the goal is won. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless highs. Ratio to profitable mindset every time. Every loss is just a lesson, don't give in. Stay disciplined, that's where champions begin. Trust your plan, let the market flow. One good trade can change it all, you know. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless highs. Break the earth through profitable mindset every time. Charts don't lie, keep your vision clear. Every setback builds a stronger year. Patience pays, let your winners run. The race ain't over till the goal is won. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless highs. Ratio to profitable mindset every time. Every loss is just a lesson, don't give in. Stay disciplined, that's where champions begin. Trust your plan, let the market flow. One good trade can change it all, you know. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into pride. Keep your vision clear. Every setback builds a stronger you. Patience pays. Let your winners run. The race ain't over till the goal is won. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless highs. Ratio 2, profitable mindset every time. Every loss is just a lesson, don't give in. Stay disciplined, that's where champions begin. Trust your plan, let the market flow. One good trade can change it all, you know. Hold your faith, don't
Let's get to 2K likes before we start.
breakthrough seasons get near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless high. Break the offer, profitable mindset every time. Charts don't lie, keep your vision clear. Every setback builds a stronger you. Patience pays, let your winners run. The race ain't over till the goal is won. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless highs. Ratio 2, profitable mindset every time.
Good morning, guys. Let's get to 2K likes. Good morning, guys. 2K likes, guys.
Every loss is just a lesson, don't give in. Stay disciplined, that's where champions begin. Trust your plan, let the market flow. One good trade can change it all, you know. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless high. Break the offer, profitable mindset every time.
Okay, you guys don't want to tap, right? Yeah, no problem. Then we are not ready to start. If you are ready, then you keep tapping.
Charts don't lie.
If you are ready, you keep tapping. All right, YouTube. Good morning. How you guys doing? Please, let us share the live stream and let us start.
Patience pays. Let your winners run. The race ain't over.
So when we get to 2K likes, we're going to join. All right. This our step 100. We later got in yesterday, and I think I shared the bias on the free Telegram group. So you're on a buy right now. You're on a buy right now. Okay. And this NZD USD, people on my VIP, I told you yesterday that we should do break even, but before market closed, okay, I removed my own break even because of the spread. So I have to remove my break even. So when I woke up this morning, I saw market has actually dropped down, so I just did my own break even this morning. You understand? Because when market was yesterday, I know the gap might actually take us out on the on this NZD USD. So I decided to remove my break even. Okay, so market could have hit your break even. But I'm still on this trade. So drop your place and let me see. You see the way BTC dropped. That's my bias that this BTC is actually going to drop, and it will keep dropping to this level, and it will keep dropping to that level. So let me see, maybe there's a way we can scalp this BTC. Let's see if there's a way we can scalp this BTC to the downside. Okay, we have this resistance level here with our rejection on 1 hour time frame. So we'll go to 15 minutes to look for shifts. Okay, so this is where the shifts happened. This is our shifts right here. That is the shifts. Okay, so if I'm using any way for entry, I think I would rather use this guy for my entry. I would rather use this level for my entry. As 15 hours. Okay, 1.8. 15 hours zone. Okay. To continue this sell to the downside. So let's go to daily time frame, because I expect this guy to keep dropping to this level. Okay, we're gonna be taking trade on this BTC. Oh my god. Turn the pressure into priceless.
don't lie. Keep your vision clear.
Every setback's build a stronger year.
Patience pays. Let your winners run. The race ain't over till the goal is won.
Let me put alert here so that I will not miss out on this.
Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless highs. Ratio to profitable mindset every time. Maybe lost is just a lesson, don't give in. Stay disciplined, that's what you can give. Choose your plan, and the bond before. One good trade can change it all, you know. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless highs. Break the off, profitable mindset every time. Charts don't lie, keep your vision clear. Every setback builds a stronger year. Patience pays, let your winners run. The race ain't over till the goal is won. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless highs. Ratio to profitable mindset every time. Every loss is just a lesson, don't give in. Stay disciplined, that's where champions begin. Trust your plan, let the market flow. One good trade can change it all, you know. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless highs. Break the offer, profitable mindset Keep your vision clear. Every setback builds a stronger year. Patience pays. Let your winners run. The race ain't over till the goal is won. Hold your faith, don't trade with.
All right, so I see that you guys are now ready. Okay, 2K likes. See guys, if you don't get to 2K likes, I will not go there. I not go there talk again. I will just be watching as well. Okay, because I think everybody should know that that is the routine. You can't join the live and you will not be tapping. You just want to be watching without tapping. I know. I want serious-minded people. I don't want people that just want to come here and be watching without you even tapping or doing something. No, I don't want to. I don't care about the numbers of people I have here. Okay. So as I'm talking, as I'm doing my own best here, I expect you guys to be tapping. I expect you guys to be tapping because it's not easy. That is the only way you can encourage me. No one is. I know you guys are not giving me what is it called? You guys are not giving me lion. Yes, give me roses, give me all this TikTok, give me all this, which I appreciate. But you see that love, I appreciate that love, that tapping. I appreciate it more than anything. You should tap and share the live stream. How will I be coming every day? Do you think it's easy? How many of you will be thinking as if maybe I don't get job? Come on, don't let me to have that kind of feelings. And I always be frank. If I come live, I'm not going to even talk until you get to 2K likes before I will start doing my stuff. I go just turn my camera, I will do my analysis. People that on YouTube will be watching. It doesn't make any sense. Why would I be begging for tapping? But you can easily drop. I've been seeing some people dropping this thing. Check this, check that. Now send me message. Let us stop. Before anybody drop any peer for me to check, you need to get to 2K likes before anything. Good morning, everyone. All right, so this trade we had this trade yesterday. Okay, like I said, and this step AUD USD. Oh god, this AUD USD NZD USD actually. Bello Junior, good morning. See you there. So what I did yesterday, that I did personally, because it's currency pairs, and I want to avoid their gap. Anytime market wants to close and open back again, we used to have a massive spread. We do have a massive spread. So when I realized that the market is about to close around that 10, I removed my own break even yesterday. Market was here yesterday, was around there. So I removed my spread, my break even, so that the spread will not take me out. You understand? So that the spread will not take me out. You understand? So people that didn't remove the break even, normally it go take them out. You cannot escape it. So me, when I woke up this morning, it is now, and I did my own break even. So I'm still on this trade. I am still on this particular trade. So which one are we checking this morning, family? Good morning, everyone. Once again, let us keep tapping and let us share this live stream. Which one are we checking this morning? We have series of pairs that we checked yesterday here. None of them have given us opportunity. V75. We had V75 yesterday, which was this guy. So let us check. Let us check this V75. Please let us tap on share. So as at yesterday, if you go to 3-month time frame, I say 3 months, daily time frame, I'm still waiting patiently for market to get to this area before we can take a buy. Before we can take a buy on this V75. So we missed a trade on this particular trade. Which trade was that? Is it V50? Let me check one by one. We missed a trade. It's not this one. We missed a trade. Let's check. Let's check. Not this one. This one is approaching where we're going to be engaging our sell. It's approaching. Let me see. We missed. No, not this one, not this one, not this one. I still expect market to come back for this. Not that. We missed a trade. No, not this one too. Not this one. I expect market to still push back here. We missed a trade on one particular way like that. This guy I still wanted to pull back. Which one was that? We missed a trade on one particular one. What do we have here? Okay, this was the one that market did not come back to that our entry. So assuming, if not because that this thing is volatile, we could have engaged ourselves from here yesterday. You remember, from here we could have engaged ourselves. We could have been in a massive profit now. We could have been in a massive profit. I want to remember the pair. So this guy, we're on a buy on this now. Which pair was that? There's one particular trade. Market tap on that our zone and he push up. And he push up. Hey, which trade is that, or where is it? I saw it this morning now, guys. I saw the trade this morning. This one. This guy. Babe. This guy. I expect market to tap here. Look at that. It nearly tapped and it push up massively. So this one is actually going to be a missed one. So we will be engaging ourselves from here now. If market gets here now, we'll be engaging ourselves from here. So please remind me, this is 75 1S by what time is it now? Let us give it in the next 1 hour. We'll come back. Okay, 10 o'clock. We'll come back to this and see where market is. And see where market is. So please, let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping. Bello Junior, good morning, sir. So I'm expecting market to push back here. How you doing, sir?
Good morning. This synthetic just make me dey sleep yesterday. I just dey sleep. I don't even look at it to say. What that 200? You annoying me honestly.
This one, Abi.
200, yes, now. Funny enough.
In the mind, and let me open it.
The first drawdown, you went straight to draw down.
Yeah.
Funny enough, the thing went up. It was pushing fine. It was pushing well.
Yeah.
All of a sudden, the thing just went back. And funny enough, I was looking at as it was how the train was going. I was looking at it. I just.
You can imagine, he's using this same resistance level. It did not even get to our zone here. And look at the massive push. Look at the massive push down. So we are going to be engaging BTC this morning. Can you bring me up, Prisho? We will be selling BTC this morning. We will be selling BTC this morning. I'm only waiting for a rejection. Once I confirm my rejection, we are selling this BTC. Good morning, my brother.
How you doing?
I'm doing well, sir. And you?
I'm okay. The only international issue. How is the market treating you?
Yes, so we did here. We did here.
Are you not on the V10S buy?
V10S buy? No. We are not. We are not.
I think like past 2 hours now.
Mm-hmm. How you doing now?
I'm okay. God is good.
So we are waiting for a sell here. Once market get to this area, I want to see a rejection before we sell this BTC, and we are going to sell it all the way to this area. We are going to sell it all the way to this area. To this area. That's where we're going to sell this guy, or to this guy. Okay. That is where we're going to sell this guy to. So let us get ready. Let us get ready for that. Please let us keep tapping. Let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping. Don't give in. So which pair do you want me to check, guys? Drop your pairs.
Can you check $50?
50.
Yeah.
This is 50. So on this 50, I'm looking forward to sell, and if I see opportunity to buy, I'm going to be taking a buy. So on my 4 hours, let me go to daily first. I'm looking forward to sell and I'm looking forward to buy. So on my 4 hours right here, if market can actually push up to this area, I'm going to drop for sale. And this area here, this guy, one of my sister here too wants to look for a buy opportunity here. And I say that market is likely to consolidate here for a while. So market is finding it difficult to actually break out from this way. So we have a high here and we have a low right here. So until market break either of the high or low before we can have a direction. But at the moment, market is on a 50% level. If you mark your fib level this way, this area is where market is likely to give us what? A reversal, either to the upside or a continuation to the downside. Okay, so this area now, you just need to be very, very careful. So before you can actually take a buy, all right, is allow market to give you a sweep here, to push down, to give you a sweep, give you a rejection, go to lower time frame, look for candle confirmation for a buy. If you don't see that, don't engage. But you need to take out this low first, this support. You need to reject from it, tap in on this DS, then give you a candle confirmation for a buy before you can engage. And if you don't see that, you realize a market break, just leave the market, let it come to this our zone right here. This is where I will be engaging for what? Buy. But if I see opportunity here, I'm going to take it. I'm going to take it. So this is the only trade. We are on this trade now. This guy and NZD USD. So NZD USD could have taken many people out on break even on my VIP, but I'm still on that trade, like I said, because if I'm trading currency pairs, I always take note of the spread. If I realize that the market is not too far away from my entry and I've done break even before, I will remove the break even. So once the spread balance at midnight, then I will now return it back. So that was what I did on NZD USD, which is this guy. That was what I did here. So because of the gap, I have to like remove my break even. So this morning I saw market has actually dropped and I did my own break even this morning. You understand? So if you're trading currency pairs, you should know how to go about your time to do break even. Assuming market was here and we did our break even that yesterday, here I will not remove it. But market was still around here. Market was still around here. So the gap can actually take us out. So that was that. Shatizi, how are you? Good morning, sir. This week is going to be a good week. That's what I know. It's going to be a good week. Please give me a minute. Let me pick this call. Yeah, Shatizi, good morning. So this is the only one that is very close to where we want to sell from. So BTC has gotten there. BTC has gotten to the level. So we might likely sell BTC this morning. BTC has gotten to the level. And this is 1 hour time frame. Okay, BTC has gotten to the level. So let us get ready. Is there any news this morning? Let us quickly check that. Is there any news that might affect this thing? Let's check. Is there any news that might affect this our trade? Today is Tuesday, 5:30 a.m. As you can see, 5:30 a.m. Oh, this one has okay. There's no news again today, so no high impact news. Right? So we are safe. Okay, we are safe. We are safe. Okay. So let's come back. And we only have just 4 minutes left for this guy to close. 4 minutes left for this guy to close. 4 minutes left for this guy to close. 4 minutes left. Let me get my account ready here. BTC. Let's go to BTC. Okay, getting it ready. Getting it ready. Let me look for where we're going to be using for our TP. Please, let's keep tapping. Okay, I'm going to be using this leg here. So just going to use this our DS level for the TP. Okay, I think that is good. So after we confirm rejection, we have 3 minutes left. We have 3 minutes left for this guy to close. 3 minutes left. Let's tap on share. Let's tap on share.
Join live stream.
All right, no news. Yeah, I've seen that. 2 minutes left. Let's see the 15-minute time frame. So this is how it looks like on 50 minutes. Okay. Let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping. This is how it looks like on 50 minutes. I'm going to be shorting this guy now. Just get your account ready. Let me quickly go to 4 hours. Let me see something on 4 hours time frame. Okay. Omo. You see this thing? This is a massive drop here. This should shift here. The market do some pullback. And here we are having support rejection here. So let me see the daily. Let me see the way this daily candle close. This daily candle give us a nice break here to this level, and there's a probability that this guy is still gonna push down. We might just use this level for our this recent low here as our target. We might just use this guy as our target. Okay, as our target. Please, let's keep tapping. Don't give in. We have 50 seconds left. $60 seconds left. All right, so the candle has actually closed and it rejects from that point. So guys, take your short position now. Make sure your SL is somewhere like this. Okay, then CP is actually here. Okay. All right, good. So I will do my TP later, and I will adjust my SL very well. So let me just quickly do this so that I can post this guy. Make sure your SL is there and your TP is there. You should get ready for either SL or TP on this guy. Either SL or TP on this guy. Please, let's keep tapping. So let me go and post this one. This one will be posted only on the VIP and people on the live stream here. Please let us keep tapping. BTC. Turn the pressure into priceless. Step index 100 or which one? 100 or which one? BTC. Sure. Now. All right, it has been posted right now. Give me a minute, guys. BTC, let me check here. Please, let's keep tapping. All right, V25 1S. V25 1S, that is before we do step.
Charts don't lie. Keep your vision. Every setback builds a strong.
So we have a running trade here.
Patience pays. Let your withers
Let
run.
me lock this guy. Lock.
The race ain't
This guy too.
over
Lock.
till the goal is won. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough seasons
25 1S, where are you? Okay, let us check 25 1S. I think we have a bias on this 25 1S yesterday. I think so. Let's go to 4 hours time frame. Okay, yeah, of course, we do have a bias here. So like I said, I'm waiting patiently for this guy to push up to this area so that we can look for selling opportunity. Yeah. Okay. I'm waiting patiently for market to push up to that area so that we can look for selling opportunity. You should just keep pushing. You should just keep pushing to the downside. Okay. So let us see the daily time frame. This is what we have on daily. Okay, as you can see, we have this nice support area as well that I want market to come and give us some reaction before we buy. And I have another point of entry around here too. Okay, this is for zone and this is our daily zone. Okay, we have the weekly zone and daily zone. Okay, so let's see what is going to happen. All right, but for now, just be patient. Don't take a buy and do not take a sell for where market is now. Step index, we have a trade running on step index. If you are talking about 100, we are having a trade on 100. We are actually buying this guy. As you can see, this is it, fully code. We are on a buy on this step 100. So here we go. Okay, we are on a buy. All right, we are on a buy. So we are on a buy. All right, so guys, which pair do you want us to check? So we have 2D trade running. This one, me personally, I'm still on this trade. Actually, I'm still on this trade. So here too, I'm looking forward to buy here. All right, so if market trigger my buy, I want to see a rejection. Once I see a rejection, we are going to take a buy from there. We're going to take a buy from this level. So we are on sale now at the moment for this BTC. We are on sale on this BTC at the moment. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so market is likely to test this level. Let's go to 15 minutes. Let me show you where market is likely to test. That is why I put my SL there. Market is likely to test this guy. Can you see this guy? This area here. All right, so we got to see what is going to happen from there, or you might actually reject from this point. So we're going to see. V15S, V15S. After V15S, then V10, V10S. Okay, so this is V15S on our 4 hours time frame. I'm expecting a sell. Okay, market has not gotten there. Let's go to daily time frame. As you can see, market has not gotten to that area actually. This resistance zone here, this resistance zone. Okay, I want market to come and give me a rejection. So I first need to see a daily rejection before anything. If I say daily rejection, then I can begin to look for opportunity to draw for sale around here. All right, so V10S, Sorry, my brother. V10S. Where's V10 here? V10S. So this is V10S. We are expecting a buy on this V10S. Let us go to monthly. Let me quickly explain this guy. But the buy we'll be going for, we need to be careful with that buy. All right. You realize that we have a rising wedge here. This rising wedge, I think, is from our weekly time frame. This rising wedge. So we have this high that market broke to the upside, giving us a higher high. All right. And if you look at this area on our 3MS, let's go to 3MS. Let me show you something here. We have what? A support with rejection. Look at this, our support level, and market give us this nice rejection. So from that rejection, if you go to your monthly time frame, you see a shift that we have. This is our shift here. We have a shift in here. So I expect market to push down to this support area so that we can buy from there. All right. But market might not come here now. And this is a liquidity area, guys. This guy. This is our liquidity area, this leg. Okay, that is what? The liquidity, engineer liquidity or inducement leg. All right. So this is monthly time frame. So on our monthly time frame, you realize that we'll be having bearish movements, bearish candles, bearish to the downside, right? So if you go to weekly time frame, we have another setup up there too, right here. So look at this weekly. This is where I draw my my rising wedge. Can you see the rising wedge? You see that? You see the touches. Look at this area too. You see those touches. Okay, so this is what they call the rising wedge. So according to this rising wedge, we have a nice support here. All this area is a nice support. If you mark it up like this, all this area is what? A nice support area. Support that become resistance. Can you see this area? Look at the resistance here. Touch, double top. Market expected here, a breakout. So I expect market to touch again, whereby market has given us a what? A touch and a push up. So this push up, we want to take the continuation of the double bottom right here. That is what I want to do. And this is weekly time frame, right? So now this weekly time frame. So now on this weekly time frame, if you look at the resistance level, we have what? The sell setup. What is our sell setup? After market give us this sweep, we have what? A nice resistance level with my rejection. So if you go to the next time frame, which is daily, you see the shifts there, and that's why I have this daily resistance for a what? For a buy. Now, why am I looking forward to buy this guy? This was the touch that we have on our trend line. Can you see the touch? I will now have a nice impulsive push to the upside. We have a nice push to this upside, right? So if you go to your daily time frame, that is where I have my setup here. So before we talk about this buy, this was the shift we have right here. This low was the shift, and I expect market to come back here once more to come and give us some rejection. So right here we have our daily. We have this our support here on daily time frame. Okay, we have here as our daily time frame, and if you shift this way, this is where market is rejected from. Market got rejected from this daily support. Can you see this daily support? That was where market rejected. All right, you see the way it gave us this rejection. It now gave us what? A money star. This is a money star confirmation. This is a what? A money star confirmation. So when I discover this rejection, I go to my 4 hours to mark out my change of character. Another point. So here we go. So this was the high that was created before we have the rejection here. We have another high here. We have another high here. But when we are talking about the significant high, the external high, it is actually this one. So this is where we now have the shift. So the shift took place here to the upside. So all this area here is what? Our liquidity area. So I want to see market give us a rejection from this our daily zone and align with this our 4 hours. So if you go to daily, you realize that we have a daily support that has not been mitigated. That is why I'd mark it out like this 4 hours that has not been mitigated on daily time frame. So I just want to see market come and give us what? A slight touch. If it is a touch, we go to lower time frame, look for a shift on lower time frame, and we take our buy from there. We're going to be looking for buy on this V10S from that point. So to follow up with the rising wedge pattern, so if you take a buy here, we are taking our TP right here. You'll be taking our TP right here. All right. So that is the bias for this guy. Are we clear? So that is the bias. Please, let's keep tapping, guys. What's peer? Look at the peer name here now. Look at the peer name here. Look at the peer. Edge of BTC. All right, we are set on BTC. Let us see the updates. Don't give in. We are on sell on BTC and ETH. Okay. So we're going to check ETH now. So we are on sell on BTC. So this is the BTC. So BTC is rejecting from that same area here. Okay, from this area. So if this BTC can sell, then we are good. So until we have a break below here, before we can do break even. Once we have a break below here, we're going to do our break even. So if this trade go as planned, if it goes well as planned, we'll be getting about 1 to 7 weeks to the word here. We'll be getting about 1 to 7 weeks to the word. So this is the bias on our BTC. So let us go to ETH as requested. After ETH, we come back to V70. I've never taken any trade on ETH in my life before. I have never. So which broker should we use? Should we use Coinbase or which one? Which one? Or Forex.com? Is Forex.com okay for this? Or Forex.com? Or Binance? Which one is better? Let me see the Forex.com. Let me see the way the candles. Okay, so I think this one is better. Let's use this Forex.com. I think I love this. So now let's pick this one from 3 month time frame. Bybit. I'm using Forex.com here. I think Forex.com is giving me what I want. Once I'm seeing a resistance level, support level looking clean like this, I prefer to use this. So this is our 3 month time frame. As you can see, market gave us a break to the upside. Then this low is being protected. Market has not actually used this low at all. All right. So what I have here on this 3 months is this is a recent price action here. We have this support level with this rejection. Market coming here. Okay. So let us talk about this guy. First thing first, there was a rejection that took place here. This is our TDMS. Okay. This is our TDMS. Here, there's no rejection because we actually have a break to the upside. So we should be looking for what? Possibility for a buy to the upside. So we have this rejection from this our TDMS. So I want to go to my monthly time frame to look for a shift. Okay, so this is where the shift took place. Please let's keep tapping on the monthly time frame. This is the shift right here. All right, so where the shift happen, this is a liquidity. I will be using this same support here to this area for our buy right here. This area is going to be where I'll be buying from. This is our MS. Okay, that is our MS zone on this ETH. Okay, this is our what? Our MS zone right here on this ETH. This is where I'll be looking forward to buy from. So now, Let's zoom. So now we now begin to look for how we can engage for a buy. That is a buy setup around there. That is what we should be looking for. All right. And at the same time, there's an opportunity for a sell here, but around there. But don't let us talk about that. Let us talk about the price action that we have right here. So market give us a massive drop, a lower low, lower highs, lower low from here. All right. So what I want to see is I want to see a form of change of character around here. I want to see a form of change of character around there that can make us to continue looking forward for buying opportunity. But if market should break this level to the downside, then we should be selling. So let's zoom. Let's go straight to our weekly time frame. This is ETH, right? So on our weekly time frame, here we go. We have this support here. You have this support. Look at that. You see this support that I'm marking? You see the way market gave us that rejection from there. So market has given us a rejection here, and market has already tapped in here for a buy. So there is a buy going on here already. So let us zoom. Okay. And according to this weekly, we have this drop to lower high, lower low. Then we have this lower high at the moment. So we should be looking forward to buy. How are we going to buy? We need to look for setup around there. Now let's go to daily time frame. Do not forget that this our MS is area where we want to what? We want to be taking our buy. This our MS. Don't forget. So let me lock this guy. Lock. All right. So let's zoom. So market has already given us what? A nice W pattern here. From this leg, we have this push, neck 9, equal low. Now market is saying, so I want to see market keep pushing to the upside. All right. So let's zoom and see what we have here. So from here, we have this nice support here. Market reject, and let me use this recent one. We have this support level rejection to the upside. Series of lows here. Series of lows. We have series of lows. So let us talk about the recent price action that we have around here. Okay, because we have series of lows around here. Market has already given us change of character. Where we have this push, equal low. We have a break to the upside. Okay. So here, market is now doing a form of consolidation phase here. Look at what we have. When market give us this higher high, we have this higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. It created this higher low, lower high, lower low, another equal high here. So we have a strong resistance level around here. Okay, we have a strong resistance level around there, which is DR. All right. So market is in a consolidation phase. Then we have another support level here. Okay, which is our DS. So market is consolidating from there now. So for market to do this, do you think market is likely to continue pushing to the upside, or is going to push down before it continue pushing to the upside? Okay, so this is how I'm going to know. Let us now talk about what is going on here, so that to know maybe market has actually used this level. So what I have here is I have this my support. Let's use this guy, this support area. Okay, this support area, which is our DS. So I want to go to 4 hours now to look out for a shift. This is ETH, guys, on 4 hours now to look out for a shift. All right, this is our 4 hours. This was the rejection that took place. Okay, we have a shift here, but the significant one is actually this high. So let us just mark this high as the major shift. Okay, as the major what? Major shift. So if I now want to buy, this is going to be area where I'll be buying from. You see this support area here, something like this. Okay, this is where I'll be looking forward to buy from, or you can extend it to this high, because market is likely to use this resistance level here. This level you can tap, because this is the liquidity here. Market can tap in here and buy, or use this support area and buy. So this area is going to be area where I'll be looking forward to do what? To buy this ETH. All right. So this is our 4S zone. So let me lock it. Boom. So now that area now, if market should now break this DS to the downside, then that means we should be selling to this our 4S. That is what it means. So let's go back to our daily. SL on BTC. Oh my God. Okay. We go there now. So right here we have this our daily support with rejection. We have this daily support with this rejection. Let me reduce this guy, or let me even take it out first. This daily with this rejection here. All right, so from this daily with this rejection, I want to go to my 4 hours now. Please, let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping. So right here, this is where we have a shift, where the major shift happen, right? That is where we have the major shift. Okay, so I will want to look for buy opportunity from this level. That is, if market should come back here and is giving us a confirmation, then we are going to buy from here. If market give us a confirmation, then we are going to buy. These areas are what? Our liquidity areas. All right, so that is our liquidity area. So I'll be looking forward. Good morning, please. How can I create an Forex account? So we'll be looking forward to buy from here if market give us the opportunity. Okay. So that is that for this BTC. So don't let us talk about the sell here. It is the buy from here you should be looking out for. So that is that. So that's my bias on ETH. So they said we have SL on BTC. Let's go check. Please, let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping. Wow. That means BTC wants to keep pushing to the upside. We don't have SL yet now. Market never still reach now. Market never reach now. So there is a zone here that market is likely to reverse. So if market doesn't reject from there, then there's possibility that market might push up. And that is where market is now. This level. Okay. That is where market is now, which is 15 hour. So if market doesn't reject from there, okay, then it's likely to continue pushing to the upside. But if it rejects here, if this guy rejects here and it drop, there's a probability that it might drop to the downside. So until it closes above this level, then it's likely to continue. Okay, so let's see. If this BTC break above here, forget it, it's pushing up, it's going up again. It's coming back up again. But if it doesn't, then I want to see more continuation to the downside. You understand? So we will still be watching. Let me check my NZD USD. What's going on NZD USD? Because I want us to engage on a buy on NZD USD. I want us to engage on a buy. Market still never reach. I want us to engage on a buy. And I don't want us to do a buy limit. I don't want us to have a pending order. Okay? Once we have a confirmation here, then boom, we're going to long this trade. So this longing this trade is the one we're going to have a swing trade. So I'll be having two positions for the buy. My first tip is going to be on the resistance level here. Then the second tip is going to be a very long trade to either this our WR. So it's going to be a very long trade. And I'm going to hold the trade. That is the plan for this NZD USD. That is the plan. So what is going on in our step 100? Please, let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping. On our step 100, okay, so this is still where we are. All right, we expect market to keep pushing to the upside. That is the only thing I'm expecting. All right, we are not going to do break even yet. All right, let us be patient. So let me see the 4 hours, a possible pullback. Let me see where we're gonna have a possible pullback. Let us have a possible pullback. So yeah, we have our 4-hour support. Let me mark this guy as 4S now. That is our 4S, and let us extend it. Aha. Let me lock this guy. Lock. Okay. So we have our 4S there. So I want to go to my 1 hour to look out for what? A ship. So this was the rejection, and our shift happened right here. Our shift happened right here. So let me reduce this one. Let me take it out like this. Aha. So our shift happened there, right? So the possible additional entry is gonna be where? Now this support has been mitigated. We have a support here to this level. So I'll expect market to still push back to this our entry around there, something like this. Okay, so this is our 1HS zone. All right, so I'm expecting market to give us another what? If I have a confirmation here on 15 minutes, I'm going to add position. I am going to add position to this guy. I am going to add another position to this guy. Please, let's keep tapping, guys. Let's keep tapping. I'm going to have another position. So that is that. So let us see this, the BTC. The 15-minute candle has closed. The 15-minute candle has closed. Oh my God, yeah, look at that. Look at the jump. After this guy rejects, he jumped to the upside. That is crazy. So now we now have our SL on this guy. Unlock. Okay. After this guy rejects from that point, it gives us a massive jump to the upside. So that means this guy is likely to continue pushing to the upside. No problem with that. No problem. So let's take this guy out. So we have a setback on this BTC. Move to bottom. So this step I'll be looking forward to add another position on this guy. Okay. If market can give us the opportunity, I will post it on the VIP as well. Okay, so this NZD as well, we are looking forward to buy. We need to be patient with it. We need to be patient with this. I'm looking forward to buy from here. So step 500. Sold BTC at ETH. So this guy is a lovely trade that we missed out on this yesterday. It's a lovely trade that we missed out on this yesterday. Market did not, when we tried to refine it to 1 hour, market did not get there. Okay, because anytime you have a structure like this, let me show you something. When you have a structure like this, when you have a structure like this, you see market doing this. You see, it's respecting the resistance level, right? You see market do this. By the time market wants to break out, it's going to break out massively without looking back. Even though if market won't look back, it could just look back small and continue. That is what happened here. That was why I want to take entry immediately yesterday, but I cannot. Why? The minimum lot size is giving us about $90. I mean, I cannot risk that much on that. I don't have the market was around there yesterday. It was this candle was printing, and this was the plan. Okay, and I'm actually ready for this kind of good sell. The market is actually pushing well. It's pushing well to the downside. So, support low. Support low. Let us check. Let us check the one that we analyzed yesterday. Okay, this one is still, it's not that far again. Let's check VTNS. VTNS 2 is approaching bit by bit. I don't want us to miss out in any of this, and I don't want us to do aggressive entry. So yeah, market has tapped in for our buy, but I want market to now come back for pullback so that we can engage for the proper buy. So the pullback is I want market to come back, that is V10 ordinary, to come back to this area so that we can now do our buy. This is where we have the shift, okay, so that we can continue our buy from there. So we're going to wait patiently. So the next one, this one too, market has tapped in here for our buy. Okay, market tapping here for our buy. I want market to come back for what? A continuation. This area here, let me extend this guy. I want market to come back so that we can take our continuation right here. Okay, so this is our inducement leg, and liquidity should just drop and give us what? A buy. Once we have any rejection, we're going to take a buy from there. So to the next one. So this guy too is approaching, but this one, before we can engage on this, it has to be tomorrow. It has to be tomorrow because this is our daily resistance zone. So I want to see a daily rejection from here first. After I've had my own daily rejection, then you see how we can engage. V75, okay, so let us check the next one. This is V75 1S. So this V75 1S, okay, I'm planning to sell from this area. Okay, I'm planning to sell from this area. Our market is fast approaching. We miss out on this, market did not, so let us see how we're going to engage for a sell here. Let me lock this guy. So this guy too is approaching that level. So the next one, which is a V50, this is our V50. So this V50, I told you that you should just be careful around there. The market might consolidate, and that is what market is doing at the moment. So if I have it below this guy and it rejects from here, it gives us a confirmation lower time frame, I'm going to buy. But if I'm not having that, I'm going to wait for market to push back to this area and I'm going to buy from there. So this is the V75. Okay, so V75, I'm waiting for a sell from here and I'm waiting for a buy from here. So I have two zones here and I have another area right here. So what market is actually doing, okay, just be careful. You see market give us a high, low, higher high, equal low here. Now we have this lower high. So we have like double top here. Market is giving us a double top around here. We have a higher low, high, all right. So this one is giving us a lower low. So we don't know if market actually wants to give us a drop or it wants to give us a push up. Just be careful. Allow the market to get to this area or this extreme zone before we can engage. So that is that for that. So we have about is it 3 drawdown now? Let us check. Yes, step 200 drawdown, BTC2 drawdown, that's 3 drawdown. So we have a trade running on this NZD USD. Me personally, I'm still having a trade running on this guy. Okay, I'm still having a trade running on this guy, waiting for my TP right there. Waiting for my OTP right here. And this step index, I want this step index to come back to our entry so that we can engage. It should come back to our entry so that we can engage on another position. So which one are we checking again, guys? Let's check this GU and Euro USD. Let's check. You see this GU, right? I saw something yesterday, but I don't just want to do that. This GU might actually sell. Yes, it might sell. It might sell. Let me go to daily first. Let me go to daily first. So on our daily, I'm waiting for market to come back to this our daily resistance so that we can sell. All right. But market go they push up and down, right? It go push higher low. Is that not it? So this is our external range here, this high, and we have this low here. That is I expect market to push back here again before it continue pushing to the upside. And if you look at this resistance level, market never get there. Market never get to this resistance level. That is one. Okay. So secondly, from this higher low, we have higher high to the upside. We keep breaking this guy. So I want this guy to come down to this area. So if you go to our 4 hours time frame, all right. If you go to our 4 hours time frame, this was the news that happened on Thursday. Is it Thursday or Friday? This long candle was the news, right? No, was that the news? Yes, that was the news. That was the news. So something that happened here. Market gave us what? A resistance level with a rejection here. So where is this rejection coming from? Let us quickly check that. Where is it coming from? Let's check. Okay, we have level right here. Let me put this in here. Okay, no, market no even get there. Market no get there. So which level market can they use? Okay. Market is using this area. Okay. That area. Okay. So that is why market is rejecting. All right. I've seen what I want to see. So let us now mark this area as our what? Name zone. But I'm not confident in this sell. I prefer, I think Euro USD is giving a nice setup. We'll go and check the Euro USD now. So this is what 4 hour resistance level. 4 hour, right? So let's go to 1 hour time frame. Charts don't lie. Keep your vision clear. Every setback. Oh my god. Okay. So after that, after our rejection here, our shift happened right here. The major shift happened here. Okay. This is the major shift. This was our major shift. You know, Shelley by two for This is our major shift. So if I now want to sell, I'll be using the same area, this resistance level, as my area to sell from. I'm going to mark it out this way and mark this eye this way. This is what I'm going to do. Okay. So let us see. You see that? So market has not gotten to that area. So that is why I said I wouldn't want to take a sell on this guy. So assuming market has actually gotten to this area ahead, I can say, okay, let me actually look for sell from there. So I don't think I will be interested in this kind of setup here. So let us check the Euro USD. Let's check Euro USD because there is divergence on this pairs. There is actually divergence on this pairs. Every time. Why this no one press now? Oh, wow. Close the job. TP Trader, good morning. How are you doing, sir? Please let us share. So we have a rising wedge yesterday. We have a rising wedge, and this is the rising wedge. Okay, on this guy, and you see the way market give us a rejection here, and it's trying to break to the downside. So if this guy should break, then that means it's going to drop. Let's go to daily time frame. No. This is the best area, and this area is going to be like a short sell. This area is going to be my own short sell. It's confirmation. Okay, so I don't even have any bias for any buy from here. It is only said I want to look out for on this Euro USD. Okay, it is only buy I want to look out for. So on this our daily time frame, there's nothing I can do right here. If market is rejecting properly here on this our rising wedge ahead, then I can actually take a buy from here. So what I have here now is let me show you something. So here we have support with rejection. I think market has push up, push back here. Okay, so here we have another one here, a possible area for a continuation. That is what I want to see. Possible area. Then that means that GU will continue buying. This is our 4S. Right, this is our 4S. So I want to go to my 1 hour time frame. All right, and see, this is where we have our shifts happen there. So if this guy actually wants to buy, it can get to this area. All right, so this is how we're going to engage on this guy. So if this guy come back here, okay, if this guy should come here, reject here, I will wait for it to break in into this my trend line. Once it break in, that is where I'm going to engage for our buy. You understand what I'm saying? That is what I'm going to do on this guy. So if market come down and use this support area, all right, I'm breaking into this my zone. I am going to continue taking my buy from there to the upside, up to this our daily resistance zone. Please, how can a newbie identify directional bias on gold? Is it about on gold or on all pairs? It's not about on gold, brother. And you said newbie. My brother, you need to go and let this properly. It's not something I can be. Newbie doesn't learn like that. You need to start from beginning. You understand? Go learn this thing properly. Don't jump class. Because I believe that you don't even know what forex is. I know. And you just want to jump into the chart and start analyzing. Now because you mentioned say a newbie, so a newbie, I don't expect a newbie to just jump into a chart and be analyzing market. What are you analyzing? What do you want to analyze? You understand? One good trip and change it all, you know. All of our trade, we just need to be patient with them. We need to be patient with them. So if this guy can push up here, he can push up here and drop again. Now who they send me this thing now? Is it by force to do this thing? Can I stop now? Please, let's keep tapping. My brother.
Hello, Rishu.
Well done, sir.
Well done. How you doing?
The day final.
Which page? I want to tell you, I don't even forget that. This our step because I've not been online. Just on your this thing. Did you check it?
Which one?
500. Step 500.
500.
That we analyzed yesterday.
Yes, now you know, so I talk and say you go draw from there. Now because say market no get to that our zone again. Normally that yesterday.
And
Anytime I have a market to do this.
I won't carry one my risk than $90-something.
If I myself won't do one, do you know the reason I want to do it? Because anytime you have a pattern like this, you see the market is respecting the resistance and it's pushing up and it's getting choked. Yes, and you now have a candle breakout like this. My brother, just take a sell.
Yes.
You understand? So now because it's too much for me. I don't want to risk $90 like that. I would rather break it into two different trades. You understand? Than on one particular trade. Because I know that this guy, 99% that this guy is going to drop for sale. That is why we try to break it down to our 1 hour.
I was thinking that my account, I don't drain my account too much.
Yeah.
I don't drain out too much. Now, those, you will not believe that it's those currency pair that is giving the back of back.
Yes. That's what I'm checking now. It's doing the back of small. Yes.
That is not giving me the back. Even gold yesterday. I took gold yesterday.
You see?
All the essence. Now you clear all the essence what I get. Even today I did on top gold.
Yeah.
But the only thing I did was that good morning. The only thing I did was the account I'm using.
Yeah.
I only put like $10 or $7. This the one I took now, just $7. $7
Okay.
to $70. That's what I'm paying.
That is what you want to do. That one still makes sense.
Yeah. So if you take, I don't open as this morning. I don't even go back to check out.
Yeah.
That's the exact. But I know to say go that good go buy, Sha. Go buy. But I just pray that you not take me out before you buy.
Before you buy.
Because now just $7. Now the problem with that.
It is swear, Daddy.
We go it's one of those things now.
I know we will come back. In fact, this week is going to be good. That's just what I know. That is what I know.
Yeah, he's just preparing us.
Yeah.
To do better.
Of course.
That's what I just at least we'll be able to understand how those pairs move also.
Exactly.
Compared to before. And I want us to also focus, maybe all this volatility, we should pick one that will focus more. I think that's what most people used to do. They focus on that, let's say volatility. If they know that volatility, let's say 75 now, is giving them a good result. They will now focus, they will study for like a week or 2 weeks. They will study the movement. They will not trade it, they will just study the movement throughout.
Well, let's see how it goes.
Yes, now. So I want to, is this 75 that I'm still focusing on?
75, Abby?
Yes, I want to get the movement of that 75 perfectly, so that even if I dey sleep, if I fit trade am.
But at the moment, what this guy is doing now is manipulating a lot of traders here now. At the moment.
Yes.
At the moment now. Now, some people that could have engaged on a buy here, thinking that this is an inducement leg, we have a higher high, market will not take them out and it's going their way. And at the same time, you can still reject again. So it's manipulating a lot. So the best area to engage on this guy is these levels that me personally have marked. This area, if I see a confirmation for a buy, I will long it. Yeah, if I see opportunity for a sell, I'm going to short it. Because the overall bias, if you go to weekly time frame on this guy, is two ways. Number one, this guy is actually bearish, dropping, is bearish. But market has shifted to the upside. We have a break to the upside too. Market push down, a push up. So where market is there inside this zone, inside this area, market can be going up and down for now. So that is why I have that buy bias and the sell bias. You understand? So either of the two can play out. Okay, market can get here. If I see a confirmation, I'm going to sell. If market come here, give me confirmation, I'm going to buy. So inside this range, market might consolidate. It might tap here, drop, tap here, buy, before it will now continue either to the upside or to the downside. But overall bias of this guy, if you go to monthly time frame, is actually dropping. But this is a good pullback. We already have like equal lows here, and market is pushing to the upside. So a lot of things it's likely to happen on this guy. So you just need to be careful if you're taking the trade on here. Just be careful. Please, let's keep tapping. So let me look out for AUD USD and GBP AUD. So anytime there is no news at all, I'll be looking for opportunity. Now look at this guy. My bias here was for market to drop. Our market is approaching that area. So let us go to daily time frame and see what we have. So in here, I want to look for a short sell. Is a short sell I want to look out for. A short sell before market will keep dropping. A short sell. A short sell. So let's go to our 4 hours time frame. So what market is doing here? Market is giving us a kind of rising wedge. Let me take away this guy here. Take it out. Market is giving us a form of a rising wedge. All right, so this kind of rising wedge now, I expect market to push up here and drop to this trend line here, to drop to this level. That is what I'll be expecting. So let me take it out first. So inside here, we have a nice push. This was the news that happened. Okay, we have a resistance. A market still break up again, giving us another resistance level right here on 4 hours. So on 1 hour is now where I have this bias here. So 1 hour gave us a nice resistance level here. A nice resistance level with a rejection. We have a break to the downside. This is a liquidity. I said for market to come back to this 15 minutes hour zone. So if market can come back there, of course, I will look forward to what? To sell. That is going to be with confirmation. With confirmation. If market should push there. But if I didn't see any rejections there with confirmation, I'm not going to engage for a sell. All right. So this AUD, I expect market to do that, to give me that opportunity so that I can sell off. So let me check GBP AUD. I have a beautiful buyers here too. Okay, I want market to push back here, or you can just keep pushing to this resistance so that we can sell down, or it give us a pullback here. All right, and here I'm looking forward to buy. I want to buy from this our weekly support area. Okay, so since yesterday and today, this guy will just be the movement no go clear. Why? Because fundamental never coming. Because be like saying that fundamental they drive all this currency pairs now. Now fundamental they drive them now. I don't know what's going on. Now fundamental they drive them. Let me see what we have on daily. Is there any setup on daily? Let me see. Okay, I'm not interested in that, so no opportunity. Let us be patient. Please, let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping.
Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless hype. Ratio to profitable mindset every time.
So if you want to join our free Telegram group, the link is on my bio. All right. And if you want to join our VIP, it's $20 to join the VIP. Okay. This guy wants to push up. You should just push up to this area. So none of our traders getting to where they want to engage. This one is pushing fast too. It's pushing fast, which is B75 1S. One smart move can change your life. And the pressure to pass and pass. It's the only unbelievable mindset every time. Let's keep talking, guys.
Patience pays, let your winners run. The race ain't over till the goal is won. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless hype. Ratio
You can send your request and let us talk. Okay? While we watch our trade.
Alicho, good morning,
Hey,
sir.
my brother. Good morning, sir. How you doing now?
I do okay. Our family.
Yeah, we thank God. Alpha,
So we thank God.
you're welcome, sir.
I say regarding this BTC, I don't think we should just move on it. We still have chance of selling.
No, since we don't get that like that, I know they go there again. That's how I trade. That's how I trade. Since you don't give me that sell from there, I will just go to another pair and see if you are doing that right, it's going to look like you are over trading.
No, I did not sell from that entry you made.
Okay, hey, that is your own point of interest that you want to use.
Yeah, because I have a initial breaker block we the market supposed to respect yesterday, to which the market just snubbed it and changed the character from there. So that particular breaker block, now in the market on the react to. So now the place where we see me and when you won't enter the sell with that.
Yeah, Abi.
Yes, sir.
This area, okay.
Because using line chart, people like say we don't near that place.
It's there already. It's there already now.
So I'm just waiting. Maybe if market fit just help us sweep that little liquidity we just dey up for that sciatic and the way up here. Yes. Now waiting me, I just expect that. But even though you don't even sweep and sell, we still have a little chance of dropping.
It might drop and it might not drop. And let me tell you the reason why it might not drop.
Okay, sir.
On this daily now, okay, market has given us a resistance level here. I didn't even see this before. I did not see this one before. We have this our daily resistance level. I'm just saying this now. So if you now go to 4 hours time frame, you want to look out for the shift. This is the shift that happened. This was the rejection. We have a shift and we have a shift here. So if market actually wants to continue selling, it might use this area. It might use this area. So it might continue pushing up like that. Because if this one is buying, gold too will be buying. Because there's this cordial relationship between BTC and gold. Now I don't know what they do.
And at the same
time. I don't know what they do. They won't just go in one direction now. So I want to see this guy keep buying now to this area. So from here, you cannot begin to now look for the sell again. You understand?
Okay.
But this area, don't let my own decision to confuse you. If you still see the opportunity, of course, but be careful, right? Make sure everything align before you take the sell from here, because it might actually continue pushing to the upside. So let me even see how the gold is pushing. So let me see. Now you will see gold now. I have a bias for gold to push to this area so that I can sell. And gold has been giving us a higher low. So the difference now is really clear. I don't think they are moving sideways now for now, because the structure that gold is giving us is giving higher low. So gold has actually pushed down here. There's possibility that we might have a continuation to the upside.
Yeah.
So this BTC, it might continue pushing up and it might actually we just from that point we talk about that breaker block, this breaker.
Okay, sir. All right, thank you, sir.
But this sell, he pay me say we really miss out. The sell that we took here, you understand? Market took us out and it still drop. Assume you say go well now more. That out of that trade was about how many out? The out long go.
Now manipulation, the market just manipulate people. That side.
That midnight around there, that was when market opened. I saw the way market was spiking. Market took me out and it never reached the SL on the trading view. I'm like, what is this? Later then I come to say trading view to come spike up. It just do that day. I just leave them. It is what it is. So CPI day tomorrow. So you just need to be careful. You just need to be careful. Right. Yes, my brother. TP Trader, good morning. How are you doing, sir? I did fine.
How's the family?
Fine.
How's the market?
Yeah, market did there.
Okay. I say currency here.
Yes, sir.
Technical analysis no fit work. More the ways for fundamental.
I swear, you understand. Technical now is now looking like a manipulation.
I don't want to even. That's why I don't want to. I don't just. Just the ways for fundamental face. Make fundamental.
I swear. Technical now, I don't want to use the word it's not working for now.
God. Just tire me. I know just.
It happens sometimes now, you know. It happens sometimes that you just have that dull moment. Market no go just the move clearly. And at another point, we call the chop person again. You know, we call they pay you the most. See, what is going on?
I do market breathing space this time now. What I'm observing now is this 75.
That V75. What V75 is doing, it might continue going up and down from that point.
The market is just contemplating. It's not moving.
Yes, that's why I said that area where market day so high. Someone needs to be careful. Let me go there.
Very careful.
Yeah, someone needs to be careful.
Very careful. Because it's not.
Look at it now. This is 4 hours. See what they do. He just dey here. He push up here, push down, higher. He push down again. Okay, when we have this higher high, we're not supposed to have this kind of push to this level now. You don't understand what I'm saying?
Yes, I get you.
We're not supposed to have this. We're supposed to give us another like I make it. We're gonna say yes. The structure is looking clean.
Yeah, the structure is okay.
So look at this place now. Look at what happened here too. Market give us this high. He give us this low. He give us this high again. He can't break down again. So it's not clear.
This support zone, this double support zone waiting down.
Yeah. Yes.
So if you reach that, if my target is that resistance up there.
This area,
that area. Yes. So if the market gets to that place now, I would say, make I don't sell because of this long sell towards this other side.
Yes.
So I was planning that if you get to that, that's my point of
interest
for that resistance area.
Resistance area, yeah.
So if you just reach that zone, I would just sell them from there,
come down, exactly.
Yes.
But the buying from here is going to be risky. It's going to be area of like inducement area for people.
Yes.
You understand? Because now market has come back here, market has pushed up. People say, oh yeah, it's pushing well. People wait day wise go not take their TP, even if they take a trade here. You know, when our market is pushing, it's likely to push down and take these two lows out as liquidity.
Yes,
Then
yes.
tap in here and begin to spike up.
Back again.
So that is what I'm just expecting now.
That's why I don't look for the forum. That's what I just. That's the thing. I say this currency pair.
Yeah.
I beg. So when do you think we should be waiting for the news? What is it?
The only one I trusted, where I know say is ready to give me that to where I want, is this guy. That was the seller to this guy. And the reason why I did this was, the reason why I did this was, we have a push to the upside. Market has been consolidating. Let's go to daily.
So support and resistance now.
It's doing clearly support and resistance here. That is why I'm confident in this guy. Look at the daily. We have a massive push. Our market start pushing up and down, up and down, up and down. So I have my setup for the sell. I did it, and I have a setup for the buy. So the buy I'm going to take now is the one I'm going to have 2 positions. 2 positions to this my weekly resistance. So the first tip is going to be at the resistance level in here. So the second position is a long trade to this level.
Okay.
That is my bias.
The head and shoulder pattern.
Is that?
See the head and shoulder pattern.
Where? No, this area. This one. This is the TP. Yes, that is where I want market to get to. So market has tapped in here. When market tap in here,
Okay.
it tapped nicely. So I expect it to push up to this high. This was the leg that pushed to this level. So I wanted to push back to this area. So I even thought that I'm going to take a buy last week for that news. I thought that the news, the high impact news, is going to break out from this range. But the news only just push up. It push up here and still rejects. It did not break out.
At all.
When I say, okay, this is not ready, I have myself. You understand? So from here, now if market gets here now, I have my support level. If I have a rejection, I take my buy. SL is going to be below here. Then I will long it.
Okay.
So this is the only one that is giving me a pure and a direct. For me to have the mind to remove my break even yesterday, when market wants to close, for switch around that 10, there used to be all this big spread.
Yes.
So because of the spread, I removed my break even. It was this morning I returned the break even. Yes. Because I already told my guy yesterday when market was here, I told my guys to do break even. So around that time, I realized that the spread might actually take me out. I removed my break even. I returned it back to my SL. So when I wake up this morning, I say that okay, it has dropped, and I do my break even back. Now, so me personally, I'm still on this trade. So we'll be taking a buy from this support area. It's a very strong support. I'll take a buy from this area again. So now the only this way I see say you say this one is consolidating, GU2 is not really pushing, Euro USD, all of them. So now fundamental they are all waiting for.
I bet check good.
Good, Abby?
Check good, I bet. Good, yes.
Okay. So gold push up here, it gives us like consolidation phase, and now it push up, and now it's pushing up. It might do a consolidation again before it push up again. Now let us go to daily. My bias on this guy is I want to sell gold from this resistance level. And assuming gold can actually push back here, I'm going to buy. But this is my nearest area for me to engage for a sell, which is this level right here. If I see a confirmation, I'm going to sell from here. So the only thing we can do on this gold now is continuation for a buy. We have this level the market broke out yesterday, which is our DS. Market broke this guy out and is giving us a rejection. Yesterday cannot give us a rejection from it. So this gold is likely to reject from here. You see, that is where market is reacting from. You understand? So market is reacting from this level. Go. It's reacting from there. And we need to be very careful. And it is good. The place where you think say you might have a small reaction, it might actually give you a massive reaction. So if this guy should now close like this, there's possibility that we might have some pullback, because for the past how many days, when market break 1, 2, 3, 4 to this fifth one, market has been bullish. It has been giving us a massive push. This was what, a spiny top. It give us another push again. So market can give us another dodgy or spiny top and give us another push again, or market can actually give us the CLT here. You know, this was a CLT, but this kind of CLT, to me, it cannot hold. Why? Because it's not reacting in a key level. But this CLT, if this guy close like this, it's reacting from this key level. It's reacting from the key level. So it might actually make the market to drop. That is one. But let us just...
This as resistance?
Is that?
Isn't this top side as resistance?
No, this support here that becomes a resistance here.
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
Yes, this area. That's where market tap. And immediately it tap, it started reacting to the downside.
Okay.
So we don't know how strong it's going to look like. Maybe it's going to actually push it down, because this is a liquidity for that zone and is a liquidity to this zone. You know, this is a liquidity for this area where I want to sell from to. This area. So he has a liquidity for this guy. And this is what? Other block. Is another block. This bullish candle. So now, let's go ahead to 4 hours. So the signal I have here is not going to give me a strong what did the local himself? I won't really have like a strong guidance for a sell. I mean for a buy, because of what is happening around here. But let us talk about the buy. Yes, and now market has already given us a bearish engulfing. It has already given us a bearish engulfing. So it's going to be risky. So now we have a push down, a push down. Market consolidates a bit here before we have a massive push, giving us 3 white soldiers. This bullish, giving us 3 white soldiers before we have this bearish engulfing. So now this bearish engulfing can push this market to this range that was ranging before it broke out, which is our 4S area. It can push back to this area and tap again and break to the upside. You understand? Because when market was consolidating here, we have rejection 1, rejection 2, 3, 4 before we have this break. Market did not give us a rejection from it at all. So it makes it our 4-hour support. So if you now go to our 1 hour, this is our 1 hour time frame. So now you will realize that 1 hour is giving us what? A wick below it. So if market can come down there, it's going to give us a sweep of this low and react, give us a confirmation for a buy. That is one.
Okay.
So where market is reacting from, market is reacting from this guy. That is where market is reacting from now. So Bello Junior, if you are on a buy, maybe you engage your buy from here, I will advise you just do your break even. If say now here you enter from, do your break even.
Break even, I don't already put break even.
It's better. You understand? Because market can manipulate and push up and break down again.
They don't clear my $7. As you don't push go up, I just do break even.
You just do break even, it's better.
If you don't go.
It's better.
That's why I don't even watch them again.
It's better. It's better. So market is reacting from this level. That's where market is reacting from. So market can still push back here and push up. So that is that on good.
For a buy at that your 4 hours support.
Yeah, Abi.
Yes.
I don't want to trade gold. Yes, I don't want to trade gold.
Between apart from that news where we trade that day,
Yes,
between that day and that, you don't already give me like $90 or good.
good, Abi. That's good now.
Yes.
I don't want to.
I know they carry one better money trade that one.
Now small money they put. Yeah, it's better now.
And I think you want to know if you afford now.
Yeah, it's better.
I dropped myself for good last week. By this time last week, I just come up with it.
It's here.
That was $10.
Yeah.
But it's still comparing to now went back to my market just come on my Excel and went back.
Imagine.
Come by again.
Imagine that.
I just come over. Just come over there as well.
This guy no one come back to our. You no one give us another opportunity. You want to push up.
No push up, I beg. Leave that entry.
I want make it push down so that I can add another one. Hold on.
No, leave her for another tree. Leave that entry for another tree.
Okay.
That's what step two on the push down. Where is it say go carry another?
I swear.
Another entry.
I swear.
Now starting at that push was less than 3 minutes.
Yes,
when
now.
Push go up.
Yes.
When push go up. All of a sudden, I just opened the chart back.
Yeah.
I see the thing don't go back.
Don't go back.
I can't imagine that they went to happen. Now currency pair with the trade. I swear that step 200. It just be like a currency pair yesterday. Like
Imagine.
Push go up, push come down, push go up, push come down. I say, I call this now. I make a clue. I say, this thing go push up. I just leave her.
You just leave her.
As I go check, I see herself. As I see herself, I just that time I can't tell you. Say, I send message to you that like say his currency is the manipulator.
I don't tell you to say a fundamental to determine the technical like this.
I swear, na fundamental. Na fundamental.
Na fundamental will determine the technical.
I swear. It's fundamental.
No be this NCDB this one.
Yes, so.
But news no day today, ja.
No news, no news.
No news, Abi.
No news.
I thought say you see that where they carry head go back up like that. If news come for back. Okay. That's true. See, if I did trade you know they add me good break even because I know say that thing will go back. It better make I enter.
How did I miss it? One day.
This let me tell you, this BTC that we took this morning.
Yeah.
Ask me how much I put.
Yeah.
$5.
$5 means I know this much. I don't do past 20.
Why like $5 put?
I know this much on it. This one I risk normally. This one where they go, any synthetic spear, yeah. I fear them. I'm risking my normal risk. Now I risk on my this thing.
Yesterday, now 50, exactly $50 I risk yesterday.
This one too, I did deliver. Nothing concern me.
That that was why I was hoping that I wanted to reach that $90-something.
I swear,
500.
oh no.
And you know what I said, all those steps that they move in 50 cents.
Yeah.
That move like this, I don't cover.
See
like
now, see the way
like
see the drop now, see the drop.
Yes, now 3 or 4 SL, I don't cover up.
You see the drop now. You
Yes,
see the drop now. He pay me alone. Now because the money too much and I no feel reach 90. Yeah? No.
I want yes, I swear I want closer and enter yesterday. Before you start analyzing, I wanted to enter. But I say make you finish analyze, make I see where your own final this thing. Because as I see the team talk say in they reject from this thing. I say make I enter. As I put this thing, I don't put I go do the measurement.
Yeah.
I still say the thing they give me like I think na $80. Where I keep my SN na $80.
Yes.
So as it measure, I go check out. It's give me $90. That's why I said,
see, it's a good setup now. This is the entry,
yes,
right? Look at the tap, yes, market tap. When it tap, look at the confirmation. Evening star. You can't come here, can't do double top here. This is evening star now. This is evening star. This is confirmed setup. And it's giving us M pattern. It's likely to give us a M pattern like this. Likely to give us that M pattern. But it's too volatile.
Enter like this, now SL this one now. Any entry for this one now, SL.
It's too volatile, Ben. It's
because
too volatile.
You go want reduce your loss for the SL.
Yes.
That's what will create more problem.
It's too volatile.
Now see where I want enter.
Yeah, Abi.
This bullish candle. That bearish candle where they come down.
This one.
The first bearish candle where they come down.
This
yes,
one.
Now where that bullish candle stop. Where there I want enter.
You know, say now here market day when I thought say we go enter this second trade.
When I told you to analyze it, that was where the market was.
It was, yeah. Could have been a massive sell.
This one a better profit.
Now better profits now.
Now better profit. Now this 1, 2, 3. This 3 candle, this 3 bearish candle.
Yeah.
Reach $100.
Yeah.
3 bearish candles. Yes, now.
Normally 1 to 1. Yes, now. He passed now.
He passed $100.
This is crazy. Make it be 1 to 2. 1 to 2 don't trigger already. 1 to 2 don't trigger. And you see they push down. You see they push down.
But $90 no be small money, sir.
My brother, if you lose $90, it could be like say I lose 2 trades in 1 trade. So I will not like it. It's better I lose it 1 by 1. But no wala. No wala.
I know that by next week everything will balance back.
Even though from this week, you go see this week, you go close this week with profits. That's what I know.
Yes.
You know, I know they talk and say this, but this week I know say we go close out with profits.
Yes. And funny enough, all the setup this week, even last week, all the SL where we chop. You know what I'm saying? All those this setup.
Yeah.
Now good IR.
Now
if we go away.
Yes, it's a good all of them.
I for that reach my 2K now.
Now good Market no one just they don't want make us I don't feel withdraw last week now. I don't withdraw anything. I just leave and say okay, let's see how it goes.
But now my gold bring me back. Now gold bring my account back.
The news.
NFP trading. Now he bring my account back. I was today massive drawdown, massive one.
Wallah.
But he carried me back to almost $700 back.
Yeah.
From, you know what I say? The account did that last week. The account did 900.
Okay.
From 900, I come out. Yes, I come out 250.
Yeah.
We went back to yes. So as we dey chop SL, the thing called the grow. I don't call the risk. I can't change my risk manage this thing. I thought they reached 20, 25, 20, 25, 20.
25.
I know, you know, even reach 37. That was what reduced my loss. So as I carry gold back, it just shoot back to 700. So the thing they a few years away we chop yesterday and today.
Yeah.
It's just minor. I see they like 600 plus now.
600 plus now. Okay. You go see bounce up.
I go bounce up now. It's one of those challenges person must face. If person they follow straight through, self, you know good now.
You know good though.
You don't know. You
No
know
good
good
though.
though. You don't know the time where you go come up for road.
I swear.
Yes. So you better go our bed, go more straight through. Come inside. It's better like that, honestly. Even the life itself is not straight.
It's not straight. Let us check this 100.
Kudos to ratio. 13 weeks on non-stop.
My brother. He pay me say.
I dey owe you something for your anniversary, sha.
Thank you. He pay.
You two dey owe me something for that anniversary.
No worry, my brother. I got your back, bro. Seriously, this
it's a good one.
the 13 weeks pay me
13
because
weeks with profit, yes.
Assume say the last week give us
looking for somebody
TP.
that can do.
Assume say last week give us 14 weeks. That is going to make it 3 months in a row.
Let me move her from the ring.
That could have made it 3 months, but we were able to get 2 months and 3 weeks. So if that one pay me pass, you understand? But at least we need to set another record for ourselves. So that's it. I need to set another record. So now let us talk about this guy. You see this guy, we go catch this guy by the grace of God. Look at the way we have this massive push, market push up, equal low, high, then market push down. Now, if you look at what happened there, market give us this nice resistance level. This is 100, 100, ordinary 100. We have this nice resistance level here, which is our 3MR. Okay, so from this 3MR, we want to go to our monthly to look out for our shifts. Okay, so look at the rejection here. This is the shift that took place. This was the shift. This was our shift right here. So from this shift, okay, I want to see market push up to this area again so that we can sell. So you see that this thing really go far. It go far, but it no go far. It go far. So here is going to be area. It go far. It's going to be area where I will be taking a sell. Let me just put it this way. Aha. It really go far. This is our MR.
If Pacific trade this trade from this monthly time frame.
Now na dawo.
He will the sunset of Abuja. That from far go they look if they sunset up. Because this one, if you reach one place, go they just add position. You don't go mind where they have position again.
Yes, now. You know, she said the price. Look at the price there. The price is getting close to our 00 here. So from this 00, you'll be having minus. You see the prices here.
They go remove this volatility on the bidado.
I think so.
Come out. They will remove it.
I think so. Because it's very close to this our 00 here. All right. So on our monthly time frame, okay, I have a level here that market is likely to get to this area. This is our MR, or let us use this area as our nearest zone. Let's use this area as our what nearest area where market is likely to get to. That is our MR. Okay, so let's go to our weekly. If there is a setup for a buy, we are going to take it. Okay, so we have a massive drop, a higher low, a lower low, and our market is trying to break to the upside again. So we have a resistance level here on weekly. Okay, so let me take this MR first. Let me take it out first. I think I'm having a in fact there are a lot of stuff here, but let us talk about this one first. In fact there is one here too. Okay, market has tapped me here for this. All right, this is the next one. This is the next one. So we have this our weekly resistance level. We have this our weekly resistance level. Okay, I will come back to this weekly, then we go back to our daily now. Okay, so daily, you see the way market really consolidates here. The market condition here is not really making any sense. So I'm going to be marking this guy as my major. Let me just use this low here as our major shift. So when we have this shift, okay, where I'll be looking forward for a sell now is this guy. You understand? So if market gets here, we'll be taking a short for a sell, which is our daily resistance zone, DR zone. So that is that. Now let us now talk about the recent price action we have here. Now look at this. You realize that we have a resistance level here. There's nothing to do for a buy here. This is only said I'm seeing here. We have this resistance level on weekly with our what? Rejection, WR. So do not forget this area is an what? Inducement area. Inducement area. Okay. For this area is an inducement leg for this guy. And you know, if market gets to an inducement area, you will surely have a reaction. Most of them will give you a reaction to manipulate people. So we can take the opportunity of that manipulation, for that inducement to sell. Because this is weekly time frame. So we might have a very good RR on this setup. Okay? So what do I want to do? I want to go to my daily now. Please, let's keep tapping. I want to mark out my shift. Where is our shift? Our shift apple right here. Which is our shift. So from this shift, where I'll be looking forward for a sell right now is this area. Wait till I can't do now. From this area, oh God. From this resistance to this guy. Okay, and that is where market is actually coming to. That is our DR. So let me lock it. Lock it. Boom. All right. So I'm waiting for market to get to that point, and we're going to be looking for what? A sell from that area. So let us see how we can go for buys. Let's see. Market is actually buying right now. Market is buying right now. Wow. This is crazy. This is crazy. On daily time frame, market has been mitigating a lot of zones here. Support being mitigated. Yeah, it has not been mitigated. When market give us this break, we have this push down, push up. So let us talk about the recent one that we have here. This is our daily support here, and it's giving us this rejection, which is our DS. Okay, so on 4 hours now, we want to look out for what is shift. Where our shift happen from, this is the shift, right? This is the shift right here. Okay, that is the shift. So when we have the shift, you know, this is equal lows. The market give us low and low, and it's giving us a rejection from here. So now I will expect market to now come back to this guy. Okay, I want market to come back to this area, which is going to be our 4S. Okay, our 4S zone. Let me lock it. Lock it. All right, beautiful. So here we go. Okay, and if you check, draw your trend line from here. From this point, extend. Now look at this beautiful trend line, which is our what? Our 40. Giving us a nice alignment right there. Okay, can you see the touch here? And look at the touch here. Market keep breaking to the upside, right? So we want to see market still come back. You see that when market come here, market did not give us the touch. We want market to come back, come and give us the touch and reject and buy. So I'll be waiting patiently for market to come back to this area so that we can engage for a buy on 4 hours time frame. You understand? So that is the bias. Please, let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping. Charts don't lie.
Can you check step 200 again?
Okay.
Step 200. You want to get SL? Don't you want to get SL?
Okay.
Yes. You want to have SL on?
Yeah.
Yes.
It's still far away to a place where I want to buy from. Okay, it's still far away. So this buy, yeah, if this market gets here and it's giving us opportunity for a buy, my brother, it's going to be a long trade.
Yes, it's going to buy.
It's going to be a very long trade. And I'm going to target this leg here. That's what I'm going to target.
I'll go set reminder. Let me know where this candle will close first.
No, this daily time frame. So before this daily candle can actually get there, it might be before the end of this week. It should get there, or tomorrow or next tomorrow. If it get there, if market is really dropping like this, it can get there tomorrow or next tomorrow. It might not get there today, but tomorrow or next, it might get there.
You not get there today.
I'm not get there today. Tomorrow or next. Once we have the nice rejection confirmation, boom, we long it to this resistance zone. We long it to that guy. We will long it to that guy. So let me see the BTC. So this was the area my brother wants to trying to look for the sell. This breaker block here. So market push up. I think he break the breaker block to the upside. Yeah, he break it to the upside. So it's likely to continue. Let me see the 4 hours. So on 4 hours, it's still rejecting from that breaker right here. Okay, you see rejected from that point. Hey, Mick, what's up, Mick?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, my brother.
I'm good. Just following up.
All right, bro. How far now? How the market?
Good.
Yeah.
So I'm on like August break. Probably next month.
Oh, nice one, nice one. You're on break.
Yeah.
Ah, that's good. That's very good. Now, people wait there already, they always get break.
To follow up. The market is not clear to me for now, so
it's not clear. It's not clear. It's not clear.
So
it's not clear.
Next month I will resume.
Market is not clear.
Yeah.
Market is not clear. It's just going up and down.
A lot of liquidity sweep, a lot of FX market. That one is totally off.
I swear.
Indices served on the lend backs in this period. Everything just well.
Hey!
Wait, I'm laughing.
Yes, sir.
You know, funny.
It's funny.
The market don't whine you, and I say, oh, I withdraw my capital now. Use a truck credit, please.
Oh!
The only thing that the longer you stay, you understand, you get to understand more and more. I don't just want to kill myself because I didn't make it now. So
yeah,
I just want to take my time.
There are some time you need to take a break.
Exactly.
When you realize that market is not really pushing well, it's not giving a nice structure, just stay away, just be patient. Allow you to balance, then you go ahead again. But I don't know, I don't just know why synthetic 2 won't come join that phase.
Synthetic don't even bad thing, no.
They won't come join that phase too.
No be small bad thing, no. Not plenty bad thing. I just wonder where they trade crash and boom.
The only thing I can say is, do you know that there is difference like in indices market, like 2025 and 2026?
Yeah.
2026 was more of other block.
More of other block, right?
This time around, I don't know. This year, liquidity sweep will sweep everybody out.
It will sweep everybody out, my brother.
Like, yeah. I feel like this year, I just want to take a busy. The only thing I enjoyed last year in December on indices, market was very, very cool.
Wow.
Everything was moving well. You know, once you mark your zone, you know what you're doing. So market will respect it that December.
Wow.
But January, thinking that the vibe will continue. January, indices just changing for everybody. It wasn't easy though. But we'll keep pushing.
It is well. We dey here together, go to watch, we go see what it goes on.
Even with the way the FX market is going, I'm not going to touch that one this year, sir.
As in that FX market, I said now this thing they drive am mostly now. Fundamental. Now fundamental they drive am crazily now. So the technical one come they stand like a manipulation phase.
Where Trump they even sell the signal self 100K dollars.
That Trump, I hope say they no go arrest that man if he leave the seat. I hope they no go arrest the man. God, the man will be making hell of money in this forest market.
They give you fundamental signal now.
Oh yeah, now brother.
Exactly. The first market, everybody just run away from it now.
Many people are leaving.
Happy, the King Mans, everybody, even Tony Ike, everybody just rest. Nobody they post there, I make the 200K dollars again. Everybody
they just rest too. Jeffrey Benson said they collect and back now. Jeffrey Benson, all of them, it's not easy. It's not easy.
Oh God. It's not easy, I'm telling you. But anyway, the longer you stay, the clearer and better everything becomes.
Yeah.
Mauricio, I really appreciate your work here. You are doing it.
My brother, it's not easy. We go chop outside, we go still day here. Some people go they laugh or say, hey, they don't get them.
That's the one thing. That's the one thing beginner fit to understand.
No.
The best thing chop outside today that you don't see around. Oh man.
It is fair. But this one pay. I don't want to even see this one again, sir. Let me let me bring it down here. It's too volatile. It's too volatile. This guy does a scatter structure, does a scatter everything. Huh. Okay.
It's just a tool that went back from FS market.
I swear.
I don't just know what's going on. Take market structure, like just to see as everything they go away, as far as you know market structure, you must suddenly make money.
Like.
But this time around, even if you know market structure, other blocks will be valid, but market go rest down.
Yes, sir.
The one with the valid market go just.
You go just touch and you go just push. You go just push.
Oh God, man. Oh,
you go just push. Make this guy just push down. Make him push down.
Please, Rachel.
Yes, sir.
Are you checking this V10? Are you analyzing this V10?
I want to buy from here. And we can look for opportunity for sale from where it is. So.
No, I'm asking now, are you presently analyzing this market now, or you are just checking it randomly?
I'm checking randomly and I'm open to analyze, to check for sale.
Okay. Probably when you finish, let's check step 400.
400, I'll be okay. There is one thing I'm seeing here. Listen, let's leave this guy. Step 400. Let's go check the step. Oh.
The thing does they say no pull back. The thing no they pull back. The thing said no they pull back.
I have buyers here now.
Yeah.
Which? Why did I do this one?
I don't know.
I'm having targets here. I don't understand. See the way this thing they drop. Is it volatile?
volatile na 40 cents they carry move.
Ah.
It go just a different little bit from this thing.
500.
They do pullback. That drop go to 4 hours. You go see say the drop just the drop they go.
Okay. Let me analyze it. We have a resistance here, which is our TDMR. Market rejects here. I expect market to, it might push down here or reject somewhere and push up. Let's go to what my monthly. This was the rejection. This was the rejection here. And I'm expecting a break here. Either I see a break or a double break. So there's high probability market is dropping down. Oh, market is dropping down. Another thing here, market created a resistance level on monthly with what? A rejection, which is our MR. Please, let's keep tapping. All right, so on weekly time frame now, this is where we have our shifts. This is the rejection here, and our shift happen right here. So when we have this shift, anytime soon I want to see market come back to this range so that we can sell. But now, market is dropping, and there's high probability that it might keep dropping to this guy. That is one. So let's zoom. So I have this resistance level here on our weekly. I want to see this thing to the downside. This is WR. So on daily time frame, our shift happened here. Possibility market can come back. So it is now that when do you think market is going to come back? We don't know. It might take a while. All right, so let's zoom. So for this daily setup, you know, we have a target we are targeting on that 3 months. That's where we're going to. For this daily setup, we have resistance, rejection, a break, market come here. So we're going to use this recent price action here. We have our daily resistance level here. Go to 4 hours time frame. This is the rejection. This is our break. Abi, wait, let me go back to daily again. Let me see. Am I correct with that? Okay. This is where we have our break. We have a break here. This is not going to be a very good setup at all. Yeah, we go chop a sell for here. Because I will want to take a sell from this level. Market is going to take us out. Okay? Market is going to take us out. So I will not use this area at all. I won't. This guy is really dropping. I'm not seeing it coming back for now. Go and do it in the room. But wait till they drive this the way they drop like this. What's all this?
Now wait, I don't understand. I just didn't check out with that.
Where?
Probably he's trying to go back to that.
Well, the reason is just that my own bias is I want to see it break this low, then pull up again. That is what I want to see, sir.
Okay.
And he might give us some injections here. Which is our weekly support area. We might have some bounce. We might have some bounce. And market can actually break it and push down to this area. So to me, I will want market to come back to this guy. For more continuation. You understand? So these legs here are just my form of inducement area. These legs here. So market can do this, reject, push up here, then sell off. So that is what I'll be waiting for. Make market just come back here. So that is that. You see, this is our step index. It's going to be a very good one. Very nice one. We have about triple zone here. 1, 2, and this is the third one. 3. So we expect this guy to push up to this resistance level. Okay, so it's going to be a very, very good trade right there. Please, let's keep tapping. Oh God, you just need to be patient with all these guys. You're a strong guy, yeah. Raising over. If market come here, I swear I'm having another position there. If I see confirmation from that level, I will take another position, making it 2. Not aggressive with confirmation. What is going on with my NZD USD? NZD USD. I know that you are actually consolidating. I know you are consolidating. Because you see the way market is going up and down, up and down, up and down. I know. But just make sure you come to this my buy zone and tap my TP. Don't come back to my break even. Don't come back to the break even.
Charts don't lie. Keep your vision. Patience pays. Let your winners run. This ain't over till the goal is won. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into presence. It's you too. Profitable mindset every time.
All right, TP later. Thank you.
Just a lesson, don't give in. Stay disciplined.
Thank
That's
you.
where champions begin. Trust your plan. Let the market flow. One good trade can change it all. You know. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Breakthrough seasons get near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into process. Break the earth, profitable mindset every time.
$25 1S is pushing back. It's pushing back. Let it push back.
Charts don't lie. Keep your vision clear. Every setback builds a strong year.
Okay, we've not even done this 150.
Let your winners run. The race ain't over till the goal is won. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless.
Ọmọ, kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
Profitable mindset.
You see this 150 is a very crazy pair. Look at that. You see that? Look at that. 3 months.
Every loss is just a lesson, don't give it. Stay disciplined, that's where champions begin. Trust your plan. Let the
So let's quickly talk about this guy.
one good trade can change it all. You know.
This guy is actually dropping. So let's go to monthly time frame. Let's go to monthly time frame.
Don't trade with fear. Breakthrough seasons get near.
Let's go to monthly time frame. We have a massive drop here, and we have a lower high, lower low, lower high, and lower low. So on our weekly, come on, this guy, Kai. Okay, equal low here. Market break this high to the upside. It tap in here and it sold off. Okay. market sold off from there. So I'm looking forward to sell, to keep looking for sell. And if you look at the way they kind of break this level, it break it to the downside, giving us this lower high, lower low, lower high, lower high. Okay, so let's go to daily. Maybe there is a zone that we can mark on this daily. Should just be looking for only sell opportunity. Okay, so I have something right here, which is we have this daily resistance level here. This is the nearest this is that we have, which is our DR. Okay, we have this our DR, and we have this DR here too. Okay, when market was consolidating there, we have this DR up there as well. Okay, we have a break to the downside. So let's go to 4 hours and see what we have on this both side. So for this guy, all right, this is the rejection that happened. This is the rejection. So our shift happened right here. So this is the shift that happened here. You know me, I use the body, I don't use the wick. So this is my shift to the downside. So when we have this shift, so if I want to sell this guy, all right, obviously I'll be using this guy has been mitigated, he has been mitigated, and I want to use this area for entry. Yeah. Okay, I'll be looking forward to sell from this area. This is what I'll be looking forward to sell from, which is our 4S 4 hour zone. That is our 4 hour zone. So let me lock it. Lock. All right. So this leg is an inducement leg, liquidity leg for this area. So that's one. Then secondly, this guy, this was the one that gave us the rejection. This is the rejection, and I want to look out for what a break. So the break have to happen around there. You need to give us our shifts around there. All right, it's not giving that. And now we have 4 hour resistance with this rejection. Okay, with this rejection. So what I'm going to do is, let's go back to that daily. I'm seeing something for a buy on this guy, but I don't want to take any buy. So look at this, we have this support level here, and market is rejecting from this level. So that is what I saw. So I wouldn't want to go for that. So let's go to 4 hours now. You know, on the 4 hours, we need to see a break from this low to the downside. That's one. And another thing, market is giving us a structure here. From this high, market give us a resistance level here. Okay, which is our 4 hour. That's our 4 hour with rejection. So we go to 1 hour now. Okay, so on 1 hour, this is where we have our what? Our shift. This is the shift. But this is the rejection. So this is the shift, the major shift. So this major shift is our what? Our change in character to the downside. So this leg is our liquidity leg or inducement leg, or anything you want to call it. Okay, this leg and this leg. So where I'll be looking forward for a sell now is for market to come back here, mark it out this way. Beautiful. So this is going to be where I'll be looking forward to sell from our 1HR. All right, so let me lock it. Lock. Okay, so look at what market give us here. From here, market give us this push. We have this inducement leg. We have this lower low. So we want market to take this guy out, tap in here and sell again. So this sell is going to be a very good one, because if we go back to our daily, I told you that, okay, on 4 hours, for us to have the shift, market have to break this low. Okay, market have to come and break this low. So this low is going to be our target. Yeah, it's going to be our target. So let me name it as what? Target. It's going to be our target. That is where I want to see the shift. So if you go back to your 1 hour time frame, Going back to our 1 hour time frame, we'll be having something like this. If you go short around there, SL is going to be something like this, and we push all the way down to this our target. So it's going to be with what? Confirmation. This is what I will be targeting. Do you understand? So this is what I'll be waiting for. Make market just come tap us in. So we take it from that external range to this external range to the downside. You understand? So if market can come back here, maybe today, of course, I will look forward to take my sell. If I lock this guy, okay, it has been locked. So that is the bias on this guy. So let me post this one on the free Telegram group now, so that in case market get there, they will know what to do. Let me take this one out first. Okay, so I want to go and post this on our free Telegram group. Please, let's keep talking. Which is V150S. Let's start. V150S. If you are not yet on the free Telegram group, the link is on my bio. Short bias. Don't disturb me, please. People don't really turn up today. Just say leave him now. Leave. All right, so it has been posted on our free Telegram group now. Jump 10. Jump. You want us to do jump? Okay. Let's go try that jump. This is 150S. Oh yeah, put it in your phone. Jump 10. And I say, now my children go do all these things here. Now them. Let me just clear it out. Okay, so this is jump 10. And let us see how we can analyze this. So, Vemito, jump 10, is it a volatile pair? Is it volatile? Is it volatile? Belogina, are you there? We are doing jump 10 now. Is it volatile? All right. So let's check. From this low, we have a push to the upside, and we have this higher low, and we have higher high. Okay. Market gave us a support level here with what? With a rejection on our TD-MS. We have a support level with a rejection. What do we need to do? We go to our monthly time frame. This was the push. This was the rejection, the first rejection. Then this is the major break. We now have our shift here. So I expect this guy to keep dropping to this area so that we can buy. So it cannot look like what? Head and shoulder from here. From this same area, like this, which is our MS zone. Okay. Taking another trade here, giving us head and shoulder to the upside. Now, market break this high to the upside. This low, I want market to take it out. This low, I want market to take it out. All these lows are liquidity areas. So here, when we have this higher high, we have this higher low, we have lower high, now we have a lower low. So we want to look for sell, you go to weekly now. So on our weekly time frame, I love what I'm seeing here. A clean chart. Market give us a resistance level here. It's happening here for the sell. Let us quickly talk about that. Let's see. This weekly resistance area as our WR. That is one. And secondly, we have this guy, this support here with our rejection, which is what? Our WS. Be checking them. So now let us now go to our daily now. So on daily time frame from this guy, you can't go and bring it. So we have a break here, which is our shift. We have a shift here. So from this shift, you see all these eyes are what? Liquidity areas, which I expect market to come back to come and reject from this level. So market can still come back there. That is one. So now let us talk about this guy that was giving us the rejection here. Where is our break? Our break happened here. We have a high here, we have a high here, we have a high here. But this is a significant high. So you can, why you guys running? Kí ló ń ṣe yín báyìí? Baby, they buy one my sorrow now. We have this our major high here that give us a high. That is our shift. We have this our shift. So now if I now want to engage for my buy, I will use this area for what? A buy. This support to this area like this. Let us see. Nicely. And that is where market is rejecting from. Can you see? That is our DS zone. To push a buy to this high. All right. Now, Market has tapped in there, and look at what market is doing here. When we have this tapping, market is rejecting from this area for a continuation for our buy, which is our what? DS zone. So as it stands, I want to see market keep breaking to the upside. Taking like a long position like this on this daily time frame to the upside. You can take it to this week where market created this inducement leg. This is my clear and simple bias on on jump 10. But we can actually break it down. But this is daily time frame. Okay, market has already tapped in here. Market has tapped in here. And market has given us inverse head and shoulder. So this head and shoulder is enough for a continuation for a buy. This is the kind of confirmation you want to see. Just keep buying. You understand what I'm saying? Or another confirmation is this. If you want to wait for a break from this point, you want to wait for a breakout, then you confirm a buy. It's good as well. But to take a buy from where it is, I will beat you guys. Just say, where's your mommy? Okay, I want to see market break out and start pushing. So now let us see how we can actually break down. Market has created a lower low here, a lower high, a higher low. So let's go to 4 hours. And let me take this guy out for now. But seriously, it's just this is the best area to engage because market take out this low. Look at the way market take out this low. As what? It strip this low and a tap in here for a buy. Okay, and a tap in here for a buy. I swear, that could have been a nice area. But breaking this thing down now, it might actually, let me lock this one. Lock. We have a support level here that market was rejected from. That is, if market wants to come back, this support area. Which is our 4S. So from this 4S, I want to go to 1 hour now to mark out our shift. Let me reduce this guy. Our shift happened right here. That was the high that was created before the rejection. Okay. So I will want market to now come back to this same support area. This support that has not been mitigated. We mark it out. Like this. This is what? Our 1S zone. So there's probability that market might do what? Might push down to that area. And should I tell you the reason why it might push down? Let me show you something on daily time frame. I want to show you something on daily time frame. The reason why it might push down. You will realize that we have a daily support with rejection, resistance with rejection here. DR. So we want to go to 4 hours to look out for shifts. I want to tell you the reason why it's going to push down. Where's our shift? we have series of lows here, but let us just mark this guy as our major. Let's use this guy as major shifts. Okay, so from this area now, where do you think we are not going to mark for entry? Here now, I'm not seeing a zone to mark for entry. I can go to daily time frame, back to daily to mark out. All right, so if I now want to mark out, I will now mark this area as my entry, this resistance. Okay, as our DR. Allow my report. Okay, so want to see market use this area and do what? And sell, which is our daily. Okay, which is our daily resistance zone. So let me lock it. Lock. All right. So I'm coming. I will break it down to 4 hours now. Please go inside. Bring the second part for me. It's there. All right. So going to 4 hours now. That is the reason why I said market is going to do what? Likely to come back there. Can you see this level? Okay. So I want to see market tap there with confirmation like this. Once we have any confirmation, we are going to take a sell to this area. Do you guys like the analysis? Do you guys like the way I break it down? If you like it, let me just say yes. If you like it, let me just say yes. If you like the top down, let me just say yes. Babe, my distant food. I'm hungry. Yes, bring it. So let us wait for market to come there. And we're gonna be taking the sell from there. Please let's tap and share. Sorry, we're going to take our sell to this 1 hour support. Actually, yeah. But market can break out this 1 hour support too. I'm not confident in this 1 hour support here. That is where it's going to be the target if we sell from here. So allow this jump to keep jumping to the upside before we go jump, come down. So how volatile is it? Is it volatile, guys? I've not traded this guy before. I've not. So which pair do you want me to check? So that's it. Bello Junior, more take this sell now. If market get there, more take her now. Let us take the sell on this jump 10. If it's not volatile, I think the cash and boom, I mean boom and crash, they not pay. Now that one they boom, they do this thing. But this one, I'm not sure saying this one they jump now. I'm not sure. So we can go ahead and see how we can take a sell on this jump 10. Oh, the battery of this thing is down.
What happened?
I said, we'll take sell on jump 10 now.
Jump.
Jump 10.
Okay.
But wait, so this jump, they mean that boom and crash, they crash now.
No, I think it's boom and crash. They crash.
Uh-huh.
I don't know about jump.
Uh-huh.
I don't know about jump, honestly. I don't know. But boom and crash, I don't trade crash before. Boom gave me because now just capping I did on boom. But crash, I didn't profit. But before I come back like this, it don't enter drawdown. Massive profit and don't go back to drawdown. Thank God, say now small just pass my entry self. I just close up. Now with annoyance I close up.
Wow.
It's just as if this thing they push like this. This what's it called? Bullish this thing that is going up like this.
Yeah.
It's going up. Oh. My entry there is down. So all of a sudden from here like this just come back.
Wow.
That's why as it happened that day I came to tell you now that I don't they enter again. No matter how good my setup is, I don't they enter again. But jump I've not tried jump before.
Okay. But please help me to check the price of this. Help me to check the price. If anybody can check the price, please check for me. Anyone to check the price? Anybody to check the price? Let's see. Who's checking the price? Because I love the structure.
I'm checking it now.
Okay. I love the structure on this jump. It's a very clean one. Okay. It has one special scent. Taste. Kanafura. Fulukoro. Ginger. They're playing. They're playing. Let's stop. Our brother is checking it for us.
Smaller loss like $5.
Are you serious?
Yes, now.
No wala. I will check this one. I want to post this one firstly on the free Telegram group, and I myself and on the VIP. If market gets give us a confirmation, we're going to take a sell. Okay, we're going to take a sell. Okay, good. Eh? Wow. Jump 10.
It's $5.
$5 is very, very okay. It's very, very okay. Wow. $5. Almost.
Do you believe that might go still the run? See now.
Yes, now. Since you don't do break even.
I don't move my head and go up for.
Go up, Abi.
I don't carry my head and go up. Like me come down.
I
don't carry and go up. Where sir?
That is trailing stop.
Before I hear story that come, I don't get like $30 now.
And how much you risk? $7.
Make I get my $30. $7.
That is not bad though.
7 to 70. Now I won't get that. 7.
Wow, that's not bad though.
No bad. I will be patient.
All right, so me say we go to do jump with that too. I go to check this jump too, I swear. Because I love the setup I see from my time frame. Step index. I'm coming, sir. We are on the buy on step index. We are on the buy on step index. 75. What's the back? Get everything now. What's the Laura? Okay. Yeah. So this is 1 hour. We are on the buy on step index, as you can see. We are on the buy on step index. Wow. So this is the step index 75. V75. These are the zones I'm waiting for. Okay, I have a trap that I'm about to set there to go.
Turn the pressure into priceless high.
This is to 1 because I have a class for 2. That I can get prepared. Nice zone. So this one is dropping back. So you should just come to my TP all the way. That's just it. That's what I want to say. Just keep dropping. Keep dropping. Drop to the TP. Then we can buy. So after I close the live stream, people on VIP, please get ready. You'll be seeing series of trades. Alright? Get ready. We'll be buying this guy. You go buy him. Let's start. If you have any question, quickly come up and let's start before I close my live stream. Nǹkan wà lọ yọ kí nìyẹn. Oh, ma solita.
Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life.
So family, I will have to go. Thank you so much. If you want to join our free Telegram group, the link is in my bio. Our VIP is $10 if you want to join the VIP. Like I told you this week, we are going to make profit this week. Damn it. You understand? That's just my own belief. And today is Tuesday, and we are still here. Alright? So, by the grace of God, I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow morning by 9 a.m. Do it to enjoy yourself, enjoy the music, and take care. And bye for now.
Trust your plan. Let the market flow. One good trade can change it all.